Question number 1. Decibel is the unit of. Correct answer is option B. Intensity of sound. Question number 2. Depreciation means. Correct answer is option C. Loss of equipment over time due to wear and tear. Question number 3. Who was the first Prime Minister in the world? Correct answer is option D. Shri Mabu Bajrange. Question number 4. Kalinga Award is given for. Correct answer is option B. Population of science. Question number 5. A set of instruction is called. Correct answer is option A. Program. Question number 6. What is Sonia Gandhi rank in world most powerful woman? Correct answer is option B. 6. Question number 7. What Benjamin Franklin invented? Correct answer is option A. Bifocal spectacles. Question number 8. The Rath Yatra at Puri is celebrated in honor of which Hindu deity? Correct answer is option B. Jagannath. Question number 9. SCSI is a term related with. Correct answer is option A. Storage. Question number 10. A disk content that is recorded at the time of manufacture and that cannot be changed or erased by the user is. Correct answer is option D. Read only. Question number 11. The most suitable unit for expressing nuclear radius is. Correct answer is option C. Fermi. Question number 12. A racing car is designed to have broad base and low height such that its center of gravity is. Correct answer is option A. Very low. Question number 13. Which former Australian cricketer has been inducted into the International Cricket Council Hall of Fame? Correct answer is option C. Glenn McGrath. Question number 14. Robert Koch worked on. Correct answer is option A. Tuberculosis. Question number 15. It will be true to classify India as. Correct answer is option B. A labor surplus economy. Question number 16. The first metal used by man was. Correct answer is option B. Copper. Question number 17. The capital was shifted from Kolkata to Delhi in. Correct answer is option C. In 1911. Question number 18. Gypsum is used in the case of soils which are. Correct answer is option B. Alkaline. Question number 19. Who is the 10th cricketer player to score 10,000 runs in ODI? Correct answer is option C. Kumar Sangakkara. Question number 20. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director and Chief Executive of Bombay Stock Exchange on November 2, 2012? Correct answer is option A. Ashish Kumar Chauhan. Question number 21. The Development Council of Subcommittees belongs to. Correct answer is option B. Lok Sabha. Question number 22. Who designed Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi? Correct answer is option B, Edwin Lutyens. Question number 23. National income is based on. Correct answer is option B, production of goods and service. Question number 34. In the Federation under the Act of in 1935, legislative powers were given to the. Correct answer is option A, Governor General. Question number 25. President of India Pranab Mukherjee inaugurated the. Correct answer is option C, 126th. Question number 26. Which of the following Vedas is the oldest? Correct answer is option D, Rig Veda. Question number 27. Which of the following are advantages of CD-ROM as a storage media? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 28. Computers use the dash number system to store data and perform calculation. Correct answer is option C, binary. Question number 29. Give me blood, I will give you freedom. These words are attributed to. Correct answer is option C, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 30. The office of the UN General Assembly is in. Correct answer is option B, New York. Question number 31. What is Centella acetate commonly known as? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 32. The first defense minister of India was. Correct answer is option D, Baldev Singh. Question number 33. Ecology deals with. Correct answer is option C, relation between organisms and their environment. Question number 34. What is the principle by which a cooling system in a motor car works? Correct answer is option B, convection. Question number 35. The velocity of light was first measured by. Correct answer is option C, Romer. Question number 36. The unitary system of government possesses which of the following advantages? Correct answer is option A, strong state. Question number 37. In which decade was the American Institute of Electrical Engineers founded? Correct answer is option B, 1880s. Question number 38. Which of the following is a not way of measuring customer satisfaction? Correct answer is option D, investigating customer income. Question number 39. National Rural Development Organization is situated in which city? Correct answer is option B, Hyderabad. Question number 40. A sudden decrease in birth rate would cause. Correct answer is option C, increase in per capita income. Question number 41. Which part of the sun is visible during a total solar eclipse? Correct answer is option C, corona. Question number 42. Which of the following is a first generation computer? Correct answer is option A, IBM 701.